PiPiADS is an exclusive spying software for dropshippers, especially for TikTok marketers. This software allows users to identify best-selling products on TikTok, leverage competitors' campaign data, find and replicate high-quality ads, and more. In this video I will be showing you how you can use PiPiADS to find products that are highly successful in generating sales and how other creators are promoting them. I also have a special surprise for you at the end of the video, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get started, click on the first link in description or the comments section. You will see the PiPiADS page that says Discover Competitors' Ads and the Best Viral TikTok Products. You will have to sign in using your Gmail. I already have an account here, so I am already logged in. After you sign in, you will be able to access the various options available here on the top. Let's explore them one by one. Click on the first option, TikTok Ad Search. In this section, if you scroll below, you will be able to see the different ads that are promoting different products and also their analytics. And the best part is we have various filtering options over here. You can enter your ad keyword over here. Let's say clothing and enter. There are categories that we can choose from. Let's select dropship. Select country, United States. CTA button say shop now. We will select the e-commerce platform as Shopify. You can also select the range of ad impressions, likes, etc. You can also select the timeline of ads. In this way you can apply various filters and check for a certain product's ads. Now let's see the results. We can see the different clothing ads that are being used by other creators. You can also see analytics like their ad impressions. Now let's see who has the highest ad impressions and what kind of ads are they using. I can see that this creator has the highest impressions here, and if I see her video, she is basically using the product herself and talking about it. And probably there will be a link to purchase this product in her video, and that is how she is generating sales. Similarly, this another creator is also using the product and has a lot of impressions. Now let's go to product search. Similar to before, you can apply various filters here. Let's select Shopify and I will quickly apply all the other filters. As you can see, we have various products, their prices, their impressions, etc. It is not necessary that only ad impressions will get you high sales. You will have to look for the competition and a lot of other factors, but you will get a very good idea of what's working for others by using this tool. I can see that this product called Viral Cluster Extensions has the highest impressions. If I click on it, I will be able to see the product link, its platform, and also how other creators are promoting it. The third section is advertiser. We again have the filtering section, and here you can see the most popular advertisers, their ads, impressions, country, and also some videos. The next section is TikTok Shop, which is basically a TikTok store similar to Shopify. Next we have a lot of tools that can help us, like TikTok Ads Cost Calculator, Shopify Theme Detector, and you can explore all these tools later. Let's go to the pricing section, and the surprise is I have a discount code that can get you a 20% discount on all the prices, and we also a trial version for only $1. You can go for the annual plans to save 30%. Let's go to monthly. You can see that the VIP plan is the most popular, and you can see all the features that this plan provides. You can compare the benefits and select any other plan. You can purchase the trial, but I will go for skip trial, buy directly. On this page, there is an option to add coupon code. Enter WB Explainer and click apply. Congratulations, the coupon code is valid. Click confirm. We have received a 20% discount, reducing the original $155 by $31. Scroll below and our final price is $124. Click get started. On this page you can enter the remaining details and complete the payment. Now if you want to know how to use AI to make automatic captions for videos in seconds, then check out this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.